पेज 123. हाँ
38 number point
point.
number 38 ever absorbed in that, and para number 12.
एवर एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन दैट, यानी वो ईश्वर की बात कर रहे हैं ना, एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन गॉड,
या
गॉड एब्सॉर्प्शन वाली जो है लास्ट में जो उन्होंने कहा है 11th पैरा में. Oh God, let grandma not remember her ornaments, at least at the time of her death. कि मरने के वक्त जो भी ख्याल मन में होता है वही कुछ आदमी को मिलता है अल्टीमेटली, और ज्यादातर वही ख्याल आता है जिसके अंदर सारी जिंदगी हमने अपने आप को उलझा रखा हो. इसलिए ये टाइटल ऊपर से इन्वर्टेड कॉमास में और डाला है, एवर एब्जॉर्ब इन दैट. चलो ठीक है, पढ़े.
स्टार्ट करूं. 12. How could something that is practiced day and night not stick to us? Do not delude yourself by the story of Ajamil.
ऑफ अजामिल.
जामिल की स्टोरी क्या है, पढ़ ले.
Ajamil, who led a life of sin, had on his lips the name of his son Narayan, which is also a name of Lord Vishnu. At the time of death, Lord Vishnu, hearing his name, rushed to Ajamil and redeemed him.
लास्ट मिनट का ऐसा चमत्कार.
That is why Indians always have named their children on with God's name. इस लाइफ भर सिन करो लेकिन
But nowadays अभी क्रिश हो गया, क्रिश.
हाँ, लेकिन कृष्ण नाम से वो आता नहीं है ना. चलो
चले. To all appearances, he was a sinner, but there was an undercurrent of virtues in his life. It surfaced at the moment of death. Do not therefore delude yourself by imagining that you could continue your sinful ways and still the name of the Lord will be on your lips at the last moment. The mind has to be trained and disciplined by
strenuous practice, यानी बहुत मेहनत,
कड़ी मेहनत. Okay, right from childhood. It has to be carefully ensured that good sanskara are imprinted on the mind one by one. Never have a careless and casual attitude.
Casual.
हाँ, चलता है. Taken for granted जैसा.
हाँ.
Do not ask, for example, why one should always get up early in the morning. If you give free rein to your mind, you are bound to be caught in a snare. Then good sanskara would surely elude you. Just like wealth and knowledge. Sanskaras have to be acquired bit by bit without wasting a moment. Therefore, see to it that the sanskara that is imprinted on the mind at every moment is good. The moment you utter a foul word, a bad sanskara gets immediately imprinted on your mind. Every act of ours is like the stroke of a chisel shaping the block of stone of our life. Even if the day passes off well, evil thoughts surface in the dreams. It is not that only recent thoughts surface in the dreams. Bad sanskaras got imprinted on the mind inadvertently. May surface
यानी बिना जाने पहचाने.
May surface anytime. Hence, one must be ever vigilant even over little things. A drowning man clutches even at a straw. We are drowning in the ocean of sansara. Utterance of a few good words can prove to be the lifeline to save us. No good deed is ever wasted. It will save you. Even the slightest of bad sanskaras has been prevented. Always strive not to see anything that could leave a bad sanskara. Never give an ear to abuse and revealment of. Keep the speech free from foulness.
फाउलनेस यानी गंदगी से, गलत काइंड ऑफ भाषा.
Foulness. Only when you are so conscious and alert, you will be rewarded at the last moment. डॉक्टर साहब बोलते हैं ना, कॉन्शियस एंड अलर्ट, यानी उसके जैसा. You shall become the master of life and death.
असल में वो अजामिल वाला एग्जाम्पल सुन के, जिनको सच में अजामिल का नहीं पता है और खाली इतना सा ही मालूम है जो इतना लिखा है, तो वो तो ऐसे ही समझेंगे जिंदगी भर कुछ भी करो, एंड के अंदर ना, तो एंड में ध्यान रख लेंगे. जिन लोग ऐसे टेकन फॉर ग्रांटेड करते हैं, वो फिर परवाह नहीं करते कि कैसी जिंदगी जी रहे हैं. दे आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन एनी पॉजिटिव एंड एनी गुड वर्क और चैरिटी, और ये सारी सब उनको ढोंगबाजी लगती है. ठीक है, 13.
चले. हाँ. To inculcate good and pure sanskara, one must always ruminate over noble thoughts.
रूमिनेट यानी वो जैसे गाय सारे दिन भर चबाती रहती ना,
हाँ,
तो बोलते हैं रूमिनेट. तो सारे समय उस
अच्छे थॉट्स
उसको
चबाते रहो,
में चर्न करते रहना चाहिए.
चर्न कर. Let the hands be busy in doing pure and good deeds. Remembrance of God within and performance of Swadharma. Without hands engaged in service of Vikarma in the mind, all this should continue day in, day out, without any lapse. Look at Gandhiji. He spins every day on his charkha, spinning wheel. He insists that everybody should spin daily. Why? Will it not do if we spin for the cloth we need whenever it suits us? But then that spinning would be an activity for a practical purpose, whereas there is spirituality in daily spinning. It reflects an urge to do something for the country. That yarn daily links us to Daridra Narayan, God in the form of the poor. Daily spinning is an affirmation of one's fellowship with Daridra Narayan.
समझा ना?
Yes, sir.
Anji, you want to say anything?
एक मिनट. Yeah, I was not sure.
करना है. What he is insisting is do this spinning daily. तो क्या जरूरी है? जब चाहिए तभी करेंगे, तो चाहिए तभी करेंगे.
The reason,
एक आवश्यकता खाली फुलफिल कर रहे हो, you know.
I think the reason he is talking about it being done daily is in the routine of doing that. There are certain activities where you cannot help but concentrate. तुम्हारा ध्यान पूरी तरह से उसमें जब रह जाता है ना, you are one with God at that time.
Exactly.
So that no longer an activity for practical purpose, it becomes an activity which is spiritual. It's like a meditation.
Daily.
So that is why he is saying. अगर it's not just spinning, अगर जो भी हम रूटीन का एक्टिविटी करते हैं उसी एटीट्यूड से करेंगे तो वो एक मेडिटेशन हो जाता है. In fact, that I remember doctors saying you don't have to sit 15-20 minutes and do meditation. Whatever activity you're doing, do it
Yeah.
with the meditative attitude.
क्योंकि वो रूटीन में तुम्हारा मेडिटेशन का टाइम है,
हाँ,
तुम जो भी कर रहे हो
हाँ,
उसको मेडिटेटिव वे में करो.
हाँ. No, because I remember he once clearly told one of the students कि तुम meditation के नाम से actually you are trying to escape you are doing your duty. Because there are some people who will do that. कि अपना काम नहीं करने के लिए वो meditation का ढोंग करके बैठेंगे.
Correct.
So for that reason he said you have to do जो भी तुम काम करते हो, if we do it with total involvement and with the right attitude, वो meditation. And some people ना उन लोग का बहुत ज्यादा सोचने का जो आदत होता है, एक वो मानसिक बीमारी की तरह, तो उनके लिए खास करके डॉक्टर साहब इज ऑलवेज से कि दे शुड नॉट सिट एंड डू मेडिटेशन, दे शुड डू एवरी एक्टिविटी विथ टोटल इन्वॉल्वमेंट. So that is actually what Vinoba Bhave is also trying to say.
चलो चलें आगे.
14. The doctor has prescribed medicine in particular dose. Will it serve the purpose if we gulp it down all at once? It will be plain stupidity. The body should be restored to health through daily sanskara of the medicine. The same holds good for life. Take the example of gradual अभिषेक.
मालूम है ना भगवान को
हाँ.
अभिषेक क्यों करते हैं?
हाँ, बट उसने नीचे दिया है पढ़ने
हाँ,
जैसा है,
पढ़
पढ़ू. Ceremonial bathing of the Lord's image in the temples of Lord Shiva. A pot with a hole at the bottom is filled with water and hung over the image of the Lord. Water trickles over the image drop by drop and baths in uninterruptedly.
Bathes it uninterruptedly, बिना रुके हमेशा अभिषेक.
Yes, yes. Yes, समझ में आ गया. On the image of Lord Shiva, it is my favorite illustration. I used to watch it every day when I was child. 2 buckets of water might be trickling down the image in 24 hours. Why not pour 2 buckets of water all at once on it? I got the reply to this at that time itself. Water must not be poured at once. It should trickle down drop by drop uninterruptedly. That is what makes it an act of worship. There should be continuous flow of the same samskara 24 hours a day, every year, even throughout the cycle of births and deaths.
क्या पावरफुल बात बोल दी इतनी सिंपल से एग्जांपल से.
मस्त है ना?
ये जो आज अजामल से शुरू कर दिया, यदि कोई इधर उधर भटक गया है उस थॉट से, तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने लगातार करने का क्या मतलब होता है, हाउ दैट इज अ वर्शिप. एक बार में 2 बाल्टी डाल दिया तो हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. वो पूरे दिन में जब 2 बाल्टी जाता है या कितना भी जाता है, लेकिन लगातार जाता है, उसका क्या असर होता है. That is what makes it an act of worship. There should be continuous flow of the same sanskara 24 hours a day, every year, even throughout the cycle of births and deaths. यानी जन्मों जन्मों तक वो एक ही संस्कार बार बार जब रिपीट होगा, तब कहीं जाके वो वर्शिप जो साधना वो कुछ फल प्रोड्यूस करेगी.
मैम मुझे ना एक बात याद आई. हम लोग घर पे चक्की करते हैं, तो मतलब मैं हमेशा ऐसा सोचती हूँ 2-3 महीने का आटा एक साथ में पीस लो, भले 2-3 दिन 4 दिन लग जाए, चक्की चलने दो. बट एक साथ में पीस लो, ऐसा मतलब मैं सोचती रहती हूँ। तो अभी ये स्पिनिंग से मुझे याद आया कि ऐसे 2-3 महीने का साथ में पीसने की जरूरत नहीं है, भले 1 महीने का पीस 1 दिन में 2 दिन में खत्म कर और फिर वापस से नेक्स्ट मंथ, मतलब एवरी मंथ में
वो
उसको
जो
पीस दे।
फ्रेश रहेगा
हाँ
का जो अपना फायदा है
यस वही।
एक्सटर्नली,
Other thing,
एक वो
another
Yes.
thing
जो एक रूटीन
that
होगा.
हाँ
another thing I
yes.
wanted to say was कि the reason for continuous doing that जो trickle का example दिया है, imagine a big downpour occurring, you know, on something, उससे कुछ असर नहीं होता है, पानी फैल जाता है उतना ही, लेकिन असर नहीं होता है, डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है लेकिन पॉजिटिव कुछ असर नहीं होता है। लेकिन नदी का तुम देखो, लगातार एक ही तरह से जाते वक्त ना वो दूसरा अगर कुछ या समटाइम्स इट इज स्ट्रीम बोलते हैं ना, छोटी सी, व्हाट यू कॉल इट स्ट्रीम इन हिंदी, वो अगर थोड़ा थोड़ा गिर जाए एक जगह पे तो वहां पर वो रास्ता बनाने शुरू करता है। इट इज सो, हम लोग सोचते हैं कि उतना उतनी छोटी धारा से क्या होगा, लेकिन वो लगातार होने की वजह से नया रास्ता बनता है। पगडंडियां भी एक ही छोटे, जहाँ रास्ता नहीं है हम लोग चलते हैं, एक बार चले 2 बार चले कुछ नहीं होगा, लेकिन लगातार उसी रास्ते से चले वो पगडंडी एक रास्ता बन जाता है। So that is the purpose of doing something on a regular basis.
Yes.
फिजिकल में भी
long-term
उसका proof है।
हाँ
मैन का फिजिकल एग्जिस्टेंस में भी उसका प्रूफ है।
हाँ, if you go to see the universe, कुछ भी यूनिवर्स में ऐसा नहीं है जो रूटीन वाइज नहीं है।
Yeah.
Everything is in a happening in a systematic way.
Each month and each year, even in each birth, the same good sanskara should be there.
Yeah. हम वही नहीं कर पाते।
The divine stream of good sanskaras should flow in this way throughout life, forever, without interruptions. Then only we can reach our destination and hoist our flag there. Jhanda Mera Rahe. The stream of sanskaras must flow in one single direction only. हमारे को वैरायटी चाहिए, कभी इधर कभी उधर. If the rain water falling on a hilltop flows down the hill in several different directions, it does not form a river. But if it flows in one single direction, it becomes a stream which gradually grows in size, eventually becoming a river that finally reaches the sea. सब जगह पे जाएगा तो कहीं नहीं पहुंचेगा. Water which takes one single direction reaches the sea, while that which takes many directions soon dries up and is lost. तभी बोलते ना, एक जो तय कर लो उसी के ऊपर चलो.
Yes.
This
Doctor's favorite.
Sorry.
Doctor's favorite. This was example was digging. Only digging in one place will get you water in the well.
Yes.
Dig in 10 different places, you will not get.
सब जगह खोदेंगे तो कुएं नहीं बनेगा, पानी नहीं मिलेगा. एक जगह डीप खोदेंगे तो ही कुआं बनेगा, पानी मिलेगा. This also happens in the case of good sanskaras. If they come and go, of what use are they? It is only when the stream of good sanskaras flows continuously through the life in one single direction that death will be found to be a source of supreme bliss. नहीं तो डेथ का डर लगता ही रहेगा, क्योंकि it is not coming in between of anything. It is only coming in to give you a fresh body to be able to continue to flow the sanskaras. And that effort continues. A trekker who does not unduly linger in the way, does not yield to the temptations in the way, and continues to walk along the path, doggedly reaches the mountain top, throws off his backpack, and experiences the fresh breeze blowing there. The joy that he experiences is beyond the imagination of others. कभी किसी ने ये किया है तो मालूम पड़ेगा. It's beautiful when you can just climb, reach on top and enjoy the top. वहां पहुंच के सच में ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ, it was really worth all the effort.
Yeah.
तो वो ऊपर पहुंचने का संतोष रहता है ना.
एक वो, और ऊपर जाके वो जो खुली हवा मिलती है, जो व्यू मिलता है, it's heavenly.
I've not been able to climb too much, but recently when I went to Kutch, we first went on the run the previous night, saw it from the ground level.
Yeah.
And then the next day we climbed, maybe it was the total distance must have been about 3-4 stories या का height, ज्यादा नहीं. लेकिन फिर भी वो एफर्ट लेके 2 किलोमीटर चढ़ के गए और ऊपर गए, वो रन का जो व्यू था वो टोटली डिफरेंट था.
Yeah.
The vastness, the breeze, everything.
I know what it means.
I know, yeah, you have climbed a lot. I have not climbed a lot. So.
Trekking किया है.
नहीं, मैंने नहीं ट्रैकिंग ज्यादा किया है, but yes, जितना भी किया है.
Yeah, yeah.
It's basically the thing about when you reach the ultimate of after doing the effort, the satisfaction, the contentment that comes with it is a different experience. It is almost akin to what he is trying to say is the bliss that comes from reaching the samadhi level.
Yeah, not to stop halfway in between.
Halfway.
असल में this example is also used for हमारी जो सिद्धियां आती है योग के रास्ते में, तो वहां पर अटकना भटकना नहीं है, चलते जाओ, go beyond, तभी कैवल्य होगा.
वो डॉक्टर साहब वो एग्जाम्पल देते थे ना, आप अंधेरी से निकले जाने को चर्च गेट, आप हर स्टेशन पे नहीं उतरते. चर्च गेट पहुंचना है तो ट्रेन में बैठे रहना है.
But there are people who do that, और गेट के पास में ही खड़े रहेंगे, तो लोगों को उतरने चढ़ने के लिए they will get down at every station and get in at every station. There are some people who really do that, and they create so much hassle for others because they are blocking the way.
It is possible that what I mean, doctor was talking about.
I know, regularly. Not everybody can do that. One person is plain enough.
What he was talking about, you'll get down, कुछ अच्छा दिखा करके उधर उतरे, उधर थोड़ा घूमे, वापस दूसरा ट्रेन पकड़ा, वापस नेक्स्ट स्टेशन.
ऐसा ही होएगा. You'll never reach.
ऐसे में नहीं चलता है, because distractions are plenty.
Correct.
Instead of getting distracted, you have to be aware of what is your goal.
Day and night, the fight goes on. चल, तू पढ़ती है, मैं पढ़ूं?
नहीं मैं पढ़ रही हूँ. आप मतलब इतना अच्छे से अंदर मतलब पढ़ रहे थे, तो फिर मैंने कुछ बोला आपको, मतलब अंदर
वो
घुस
लाइन
गए
ही
थे.
ऐसी थी कि मेरा बहुत मन किया पढ़ने का, तो मैंने किया.
तो फिर मैंने बोला जाने दे अभी.
चल आगे चल.
Okay, day and 39. Day and night the fights goes on. Number 15. In short, death will be a matter of joy when there is continuous performance of Swadharma outside, while inwardly the mind is being purified through devotion, etc. When the streams of karma and karma flow within and without. That is why the Lord says, म्हणूनी सगळा काळ मज आठव झुंज तू. Remember me all the time and fight. He also refers to one who is ever absorbed in that. Sada tyat chi rangala. When love for the Lord pervades your whole being, when your whole life is informed with that love, you will then always rejoice in things sacred. Evil urges and tendencies would never appear before you. Noble resolves and noble thoughts would
Germinate यानी उगेंगे.
germinate in the
उगाने के.
mind, and good deeds would follow naturally and effortlessly.
तो ये उसका परिणाम होगा.
Yes.
यदि हर समय that ever absorbed in that रहेंगे तो ठीक है.
नहीं,
16.
अपने लेवल पे भी ना हो जाता है. Like I remember when in Aurangabad I used to often, कुछ भी काम करना है, अरे यार करना पड़ता है. होता था, बहुत होता था. Too many thoughts, too many other things, Abhi I'm so relaxed and so much into the thing. Okay, even when I'm doing any work, I realize that there are not other thoughts coming. My focus is on the work.
Wow.
But like, some days, I may be having a back pain or something like that. काम कर रही हूँ, awareness है, enough that कि जब I don't allow it to go beyond a point. हाँ, कि अगर मेरे को लग रहा है कि नहीं अभी दर्द हो रहा है तो अभी 5 मिनट बैठूंगी.
Correct.
Then I'll resume my work. But once I'm doing the work, वो thought उधर जाता ही नहीं. थोड़ा अवेयरनेस रहता है, लेकिन अरे करना पड़ रहा है क्या है यार, ऐसे कुछ हैप्पीली हो जाता है काम.
करेक्ट.
एकदम हैप्पीली हो जाता है.
संस्कार शुद्ध हो गए हैं.
हाँ,
मन का संस्कार शुद्धि हुई है.
हाँ. एक तो है कि जो स्ट्रेसफुल थॉट्स वो निकल गए हैं, तो फिर संस्कार शुद्धि का काम जो इतने साल किया वो असर अभी कर रहा है.
हाँ. very true.
It is true that good deeds become natural when one always remember the Lord. But the Lord's command is to keep on striving. Saint Tukaram says, रात्री दिवस आम्हा युद्धाचा प्रसंग अंत बाह्य जग आणि मन. Day and night we are required to fight with the world without and the mind within. This conflict is going on relentlessly. It is not that you will win every battle. One has to persevere till the end to win the war. It is the final result of the war that counts. During this war, we shall win and lose many a time. But loss is no cause for dejection. When a stone breaks at the 20th blow, it does not mean that the previous 19 blows had been in vain. In fact, they were preparing ground for the success of the 20th blow. Yes.
So important.
Yes, yes.
वही वो ट्रिकल वाली बात ही है वो.
एकदम
सही है, एकदम perfect. To feel dejected means to lose faith in God. God is always there to support and protect you. Have faith in Him. To develop self-confidence in the child, the mother lets him wander here and there, but she keeps watch. She does not let him fall. If he starts tottering, she is there to lift him up in her arms. God too is watching you. He holds in his hands the string of your life's kite. Sometimes he pulls it taut with while
ऐसा सीधा खींच लेना.
सीधा. Yes, yes.
क्या
While
टॉट ना?
Taut, yeah.
short is एकदम tight,
टाइट, हाँ.
खींच के रखना.
something he lets to loose, but be assured that he himself is holding the string in his hand. To teach swimming in a river, one end of a rope is tied to a tree on the bank and the other end is tied to the learner's waist. And then he is thrown into the water. Trainers are there in the river to take care of him. The novice
Novice, नया.
struggles intently, but at the end masters the art of swimming. God is teaching us the art of living in this way.
कितना अच्छा बोला है. दोनों
Yes.
एग्जाम्पल, पतंग वाला भी और स्विमिंग वाला भी.
सच्ची में
ये
बहुत मस्त
विश्वास हम खो देते हैं जब पतंग इधर से उधर डुलने लगती है. चिल्लाना शुरू हो जाता है, रोना शुरू हो जाता है, तब विश्वास खो जाता है. और वो टाइट कर लेता है तो भी अपन चिल्लाते हैं.
कैसा ना मनुष्य का मन कैसा रहता है ना, बाप रे,
Never satisfied.
सच्ची में. चलो, उत्तरायण एंड दक्षिणायन
दक्षिणायन
18.
समझा ना मीनिंग वर्ड का.
हाँ हाँ
अपन सूरज को बोलते हैं ना, अभी दक्षिणायन चल रहा है सूरज, है
हाँ,
ना. जनवरी तक उत्तरायण
उत्तरायण,
है ना.
हाँ
जनवरी
Sorry,
से उत्तरायण
अभी
शुरू
अभी
होता है.
उत्तरायण चल रहा है. जनवरी
हाँ.
14 तक वो दक्षिणायन,
जुलाई सितंबर
इसलिए
के
उसको
बाद
उत्तरायण बोलते
दक्षिणायन.
हैं.
हाँ
14 जनवरी को
उत्तरायण.
हाँ
उत्तरायण बोलते हैं ना,
उत्तरायण
क्योंकि
शुरू
उस समय
होता
से
है.
सूरज उत्तरायण चलने लगता है.
समझा मैं.
नॉर्थवर्ड एंड साउथवर्ड.
Dakshinayana starts somewhere in, I think, July.
सॉरी,
Dakshinayana starts somewhere in July.
हाँ, इन जुलाई.
6 महीने बाद ना.
करेक्ट. चल.
So if you continue striving day and night with all the resources of the body and the mind at your command, with faith in the Lord, the last moment will be extremely happy. You will have all the gods that is divine powers on your side when the hour of death comes. This has been said at the end of this chapter using a metaphor. Understand this metaphor properly. If at the time of one's death fire is burning, the sun is shining, the moon is waxing, and there is beautiful and cloudless sky of Uttarayan, 6 months of the northern course of the sun, then one units within the Brahman. But if at the time there is this smoke, there is darkness,
means gehra.
darkness within and without, the moon is waning, and there is cloudy and dull sky of Dakshinayana, 6 months of the southern course of the sun. He again gets caught in the cycle of births and deaths.
तो
ऐसा वो उत्तरायण का तो इनको भीष्म जी को था ना, भीष्म जी उत्तरायण में
हाँ,
अपना
he
ये,
waited.
हाँ
तो उनको इच्छा मृत्यु थी ना, तो
हाँ.
उन्होंने वेट किया.
हाँ, इसके
उत्तरायण
लिए
शुरू होने के बाद वो उन्होंने प्राण त्याग दिया.
प्राण त्यागे. For
बिकॉज
the
ऐसे माना जाता है कि उत्तरायण के वक्त प्राण जाए तो अच्छा है.
तो शायद बिकॉज ऑफ दिस रीजन उन्होंने किया होगा.
हाँ, उसी रीजन की वजह से.
हाँ
तो सीधा ब्रह्मलीन हो जाते हैं.
हाँ वैसे. 19. This metaphor is puzzling to many. It tells that the grace of the gods of fire, sun, moon, and sky is necessary for a holy death. Fire symbols karma and yagna, work and sacrifice. The sacrificial fire must be burning even at the time of death. Justice
Justice
Ranade.
Ranade.
Ranade used to say, blessed is the death which comes while one is performing one's duty. I shall be happy to die while reading, writing, or doing something. This is what the burning of sacrificial fire means. Working till the last birth signifies
Right.
the grace of
Signifies.
Agni, the god of fire.
Hmm.
Grace of the sun god keeps the intellect bright and radiant till the end. Grace of the moon is indicated by the growth of pure and sacred feelings in the heart at the time of death, as the moon is the god of the heart. Sacred feelings like love, devotion, enthusiasm,
Altruism.
altruism, compassion, etc. should wax and grow to fullness in the mind, like the moon in the bright half of the month. The grace of the sky means having the heart completely free from the clouds of attachment. Gandhiji once said, I am always talking of the spinning wheel. I consider it sacred, but I must not have attachment even to it at the last moment. He who lead me to the spinning wheel is fully capable of taking its care. Now, the spinning wheel has been taken up by many leading figures. I should now cease to worry about it and be ready to meet the Lord. Uttarayan thus means freedom of the heart from the clouds of attachment.
Wow. उत्तरायण का
Must-
नया ही अर्थ उन्होंने बताया.
Yes.
Freedom from the heart.
From
Freedom
the
of the
clouds.
heart. From the clouds of attachment. उत्तरायण में
मस्त.
इतने बादल नहीं होते हैं ना,
हाँ.
तो इसलिए देखा कैसे यूज किया उन्होंने इस बात को. From the clouds of attachment.
Yes.
चलो, बहुत अच्छी बात. एक तो सूरज चमकता है, तो इसलिए भी बादल का भाप बन जाती है, इकट्ठा नहीं होते हैं. अंजी क्या बोलती है अग्नि के बारे में? कितना सुंदर समझाया है ना.
सच्ची में.
अग्नि, सैक्रिफिशियल फायर, वर्क एंड सैक्रिफाइस, करते करते मरना है.
He's mentioned as Ranade, na? He was the first Indian chief justice, Indian justice, Indian judge in the British era.
Okay.
And he was a freedom fighter.
Okay.
And he has done a lot of work for women's emancipation. Yet, uske his wife was almost, I think, 18 or 20 years younger to him. He was compelled to, by the family, marry a girl much younger to him. And he didn't go the regular people's way. He insisted on not having a marital relationship with her, but instead educating her. Till she reached the right age when she was fit to be leading a marital life. And after he died quite early. She continued this female emancipation work and all that. Both of them have done a lot of work. In fact, I think some 8 years back maybe, Zee Marathi had made a serial on her life. It was a very nice one. That is he was very well read, Justice Ranade, not just English language and all. He had all the Shastras by heart. It was very, even actually, it's not just about him. It's said about Lokmanya Tilak also,
Yeah.
That man had most of the Shastras by heart. He was well versed in astronomy. And he's done some very good work on astronomy. Pioneering work on astronomy.
Mhm.
Something which I never knew about. We have always thought of them as freedom fighters, nothing more than that.
Okay.
चल मैम मैंने ना एक कोर्स किया था 2 साल पहले की लास्ट ईयर, ऐसा याद नहीं है। वहां पे जो सर थे ना, उन्होंने बोला था कि मतलब हम लोग को ना मस्त ऐसे एक लेगेसी बनानी चाहिए कि मुझे मेरा लास्ट जर्नी कैसे यहाँ से जाना है, ऐसा उन्होंने उनकी पूरी जर्नी बताई थी कि जब मेरी लास्ट ब्रेथ होगी ना, तो मेरी सोसाइटी के जो सभी पेड़ जो है ना, वो हंसते हुए मुझे विदा करेंगे, सभी लोग मेरे पास आएंगे और उन्होंने जितने भी पेड़ लगाए हैं वो सब उनको आशीर्वाद देंगे। वैसे उन्होंने पूरी स्टोरी क्रिएट की थी।
अरे वाह,
और उनको
so beautiful.
यस, उनको कब जाना है, क्या काम करना है, कैसे जाना है, वो सब उन्होंने विजुलाइज मतलब लिखा था। बोल के मतलब मैं जाऊंगा तभी ऐसे जाऊंगा, ऐसा।
अरे वाह,
हाँ,
गुड
ऐसे।
आइडिया, सबको
तो
करना
मैंने भी
चाहिए।
मैंने भी सोचा है कि मुझे ये टाइम पे भगवान बोले चल योगिता तेरा काम खत्म हो गया, मैं बोली चलो भगवान चलो, सब छोड़ दो और चलो। तो मैंने भी सोच के रखा है कि मुझे भी यही टाइम पे जाना है,
हम्म,
ऐसा। मस्त था वो।
सेम ईयर।
चलो 20, if death comes when a man's body is engaged in service till the last breath, pure sentiments have grown to fullness. There is no trace of attachment in the heart, and intellect in sharp and radiant. He becomes one with God. To have such a supremely auspicious end, one must ever be alert and continues to strive day and night. No impure and evil sanskara should be permitted in the mind even for a single moment. One must pray constantly to the Lord to have the necessary strength to achieve this. Again and again, one should remember his name and meditate over his nature and essence. कितना डीपली समझाया है ना।
क्या करें?
खत्म हो गया ना?
10
हाँ, ये
मिनट है
चैप्टर
अभी,
खत्म हो गया,
10 मिनट है।
तो आई थिंक रुक जाते हैं।
10 मिनट है नहीं, चैप्टर खत्म हो
हाँ।
गया ना?
हाँ,
हाँ
चैप्टर
हाँ,
खत्म हो गया,
चैप्टर खत्म हो
वी
गया।
कैन डू इट नेक्स्ट वीक।
या दैट्स
नेक्स्ट
व्हाट आई
चैप्टर,
फील।
नया चैप्टर नए दिन पे शुरू करने में
नहीं,
अच्छा रहेगा।
हाँ हाँ। It will be which chapter now?
Now we will
8
begin
is
with
complete.
9th chapter,
हाँ, 9th will start.
chapter number 9। तेरे को मैं बुक ऑर्डर कर दूं क्या तेरे लिए, या तेरे को नहीं लेनी है?
नहीं लेनी है, मेरे पास इतने सारे भगवत गीता है कि मेरे को और
भगवत गीता is different, talks on the Gita is different, that's not the same as Bhagavad Gita।
I know यार, I'm talking about commentaries on the Gita only। कोई ओरिजिनल गीता तो है ही नहीं ना किसी के पास। ओरिजिनल गीता इज
क्योंकि
जस्ट
it's so
श्लोक
easy
जो
to
भी है।
order it online and get it delivered to you।
I know, my dear, but then I'm having so many commentaries on the Gita that I don't want one more.
But this is not commentary,
I know, yeah, it's a talk।
this is different। Anyway, चल ठीक है, I will not argue।